Hey, what's up, my millionaire brothers? So what's going on? Today video is going to be very special for Holochain holder because the Holo is continuously going down in the first 3 weeks. Absolutely, a lot of holders tell me to what we do. We are hold in in the first 4 weeks in the first 4 weeks, but they cannot moving off. They are just in the loss continuously. They go in the loss. So what we do, please tell me. So friends, I tell you, and this video absolutely gone very important. But first of all, I'm going to show you this time the crypto market as completely fails down, my friend. You can see here all cryptocurrencies very badly fails down. No cryptocurrencies will gone up, but one of this you can see here Dogecoin. Absolutely, I advise you, my friends, to Bitcoin is one of the fastest cryptocurrency, and if you invest and this time, absolutely they give you very good profit. And the first 3 days they gone very goodly and very nicely gone up, my friend. So let's come to the point to what's going on in a holo chain is absolutely very badly fails down. In a lot of holders tell me to please tell us to what we do, sell, hold or buy. Absolutely, my all holochain brothers is very badly and the loss this time lost a lot of money and a holochain to invest and this. Absolutely, when you I request you, my brother, to when you invest in any cryptocurrency, please first of all research personally very highly. This is good for you to they can be safe you from any more loss. This type cryptocurrency, no time to they going up or they no time to they going down, or no time to they going up. Absolutely, but let's see to what's my prediction. I also tell you in this video, my friend, the holochain as very badly fails down, my friends, from the past 3 weeks. You can see here this time I'm going to show you the 7 days chart, the last 1 week chart. You can see here, and I also show you the charts technical analysis, and then we decide to in upcoming times they going up or they going badly down. So my friends, what you do, okay, sell, hold or buy, I also tell you in this video at the end of this video. So please keep watch. This is very important for you to you have be safe from more loss. Absolutely, this is very important for you, my friend. This time, if you can see here, this is the circulation of bad falls. Absolutely, you can see here bad. You can see here this time they gone very badly falls down, but after that they take a jump. You can see here after that point they take a jump. Absolutely, they take a jump after. So you can see here this is the false point. You can see here. So you can see here they going up exactly up like a rocket, but after that they again take a very badly falls down. So this is the circulation. You can see here fails, after fails they take a jump, after jump they take a fail, and you can see here after fails they take a jump again, and after jump they take again fails, my friends. So this is the circulation. Therefore I hope in upcoming time, you can see here if continually this circle going on, then I hope in upcoming days they also going up. So what you say, can they going up? Absolutely, if you can see here this chart, then exactly this is possible to they going up in upcoming days. I guaranteed you, holochain holder, please hold it, don't sell it, don't sell it. If you sell it at this point, then absolutely you are in the loss. But please, I request you to hold it, and the good time is coming soon. Okay friends, let's come out to the last 1 hour chart to what's going on in the last 1 hour. Absolutely, this is very important for my brother. Yes, my friends, yes, exactly, I am right. I tell you to after bells, you can see this is the fails point. This is the fails point. You can see here exactly, I am right. They starting jumping. You can see here, can you see here? Minus 2.57%, they starting moving up, my friends. Congratulations for every holochain holder. Please don't sell it. If you are already sell it, then please don't buy it again. But please, if you are not sell, then this is good time to you hold it. Absolutely, they moving up this point. You can see here they starting moving up 2.57% change occur and positive. This is good today in the positive. Not this is a very high change, but this is in positive too. I am very happy. I am also holder holochain. Therefore I also hold it from the last 5 weeks. Absolutely, so this is a very high time, my friends, very big time. So my friends, please, good time is coming soon. You can see here they, oh my goodness, this time the price is come to 0.017021 US dollar, and the latest price, if you can see here, absolutely gone up. Congratulations, my brother, they are moving up. Please like this video. If you need this type more informative video, please subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type video. Hope you subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much, my brother. Please, if you need more informative video, please subscribe. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time. God bless you, take care.